Hey everyone, in this video I'll be sharing my night skincare routine after care for TCA cross and chemical peel, and this is how my skin looks. So this is still day one. And by the way everyone, I have a new product to try. This is still from Banish. This is their pore shrinker toner, but I will not use this product yet because I just had my TCA treatment. But anyway, let's start. So first, I'll be using the Banish serum. So this is a vitamin C and E. Yeah, so I'm using this product day and night. I really love this product because it's so light on my skin and it's also very mild. Like you won't feel any irritation even right after your TCA treatment or microneedling treatment. Even if it has like oil texture, it's not that thick and it's still very runny like water. So this product is really okay to use even if you have oily acne prone skin like mine. Alright, and then next I'll be using the Banish Fighter Gel. This product is really perfect if you have acne breakouts because it will soothe and calm your skin, especially if you have redness and inflammation. Plus, it will also help you to prevent any future pimples, acne, or breakouts. And I am also using this after my TCA treatment just to calm my skin and for the redness and inflammation. And then next, I'll be using the Banish Vitamin C Cream. So I just got my new stock. And I am not sure if this is their new vitamin C cream or just a new variant because it's different from the previous vitamin C cream that I'm using. It has a different ingredient, and also the color of the product is more white compared before that it's yellow. And then the main ingredient now of their vitamin C cream is alpha-arbutin, licorice, and vitamin C, which I really love because I will not use a separate product for my alpha-arbutin since it's already included in this product for my hyperpigmentation after my TCA treatment. Plus, it also has a licorice, which is also good for skin brightening, and also it will help to treat inflammation and also for healing acne scars. So I will just discuss more about this product on a separate video or on my next video. And by the way everyone, if you want to also try the Banish products, you may just visit their website www.banish.com, and you may also use my discount code MARS to get a $5 off for orders $50 above. Alright, so I will also include this information in the description box of the video for your reference. Alright, so that's it everyone. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like and share this video, follow me, and subscribe to my channel. Bye! Mwah.